Hello guys, RiderTech here. So today we'll talk about mods, what I have on the bike and what I plan on doing it. Let's find a nice place to talk, shall we? Okay, now let's park the bike and let's talk a little bit. Um, Today we are going to do a little bit of show and tell. We are going to do it like this, so I can actually point out stuff. So mods so far, we have front and rear sliders from Evotech Performance, same as the spools on the rear. How do we say it? Arm? I don't know. Missing the point. This is the aftermarket things that I did. I also have the bobbins, the crash bobbins to put on the bike from Evotech also. I think that's the ones that look the best on this bike, but I'm still missing some tools to take off the fairings and torque the engine bolts to specs. So that's one of the mods that I didn't do yet, and either I will pay someone to do it or I will do it, and if I feel comfortable I will show you on the channel. So those are the mods for protection, for crash protection. You will also see I put grip on the tank, tank grips for the sides and also on the belly, where my belly will scratch all over the tank. These are storm grip tank grips. They are clear. I wanted to keep the color of the tank, and as you can see, I think they look nice. Although since all the bike is black and yellow, the black grips would also be great. But so far I'm happy with them. Maybe when they start to yellow or something like that, I will change it to something black. But they work great. I got them from an importer. So this is manufactured in the USA, but I got an importer from an importer in Germany. Same name as the company, but tag is D. So yeah, basically the German stuff. Mods from besides that, I also have the quad lock, as you have seen me install it. I loved it. I find it funny that when I show you the phone, it will block the view of the speedometer. So that's a plus in my book. So you guys don't see me speeding. So that's great. It's working flawlessly. So far so good. And I also have installed some mods from Aprilia. So as you have seen on the dash of the cell phone, I have the Mia connecting hardware and app. So basically, you have a little sensor over here that functions as a Bluetooth router and pipes information from the bike to the phone, and also serves as a navigation point and connects to my Cardo. Besides that, I have installed the the um, the axle, the swing arm. That's it. The swing arm protection from the Tuono 660 on the RS660. I actually, in my boots, you can see the film protection behind that. My boots also started scratching the arm immediately. So basically, I got this as soon as possible. The other mod besides those two, it's the seat eliminator. This is a single seat. This is sponge, but no one will sit over here. It's impossible, as you can see. It's impossible. It's very nice. Makes the bike a lot cleaner. I love it. And also I have the USB charging port. Those are the mods that I have on the bike at the moment. Nothing in the suspension, nothing in the exhaust, nothing in the brakes, nothing. Everything is stock, and the bike is awesome as is. Um, what what I can say that I would like to do besides this? Um, I would love to change the levers. Um, the the clutch lever is a little bit for my tasting. I would love to change for some custom levers, but there's a problem with most custom levers that when you go to full lock, it will hit the fairing here. So that's something that I'm waiting for someone to to address, and maybe then I will change it. I may change the bar and mirrors for the Evotech ones, or something similar that have the extended protection, although it's only needed for the brake. So that's maybe. The mirrors, I like these mirrors, although the Rizoma Stealth mirrors would would clean the front look a lot. It would be awesome. Performance mods wise, just the suspension. I don't think the bike needs anything else. I could put aftermarket exhaust and the up map for disrestricting the bike, but it would mess with the warranty. So that's something for the future, way in the future. So far, I think that's it. I'm happy with the bike as it is, and this is it, guys. This is my personalized R660, and it's just missing one mod, and then we will see. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed. And this is a little bit different. I'm just walking around the bike, but as you can see, and in this light, it's just a gorgeous machine. The Italians make good stuff. They have a reputation for not being reliable, but they have the reputation for it to be pretty, and they deliver. Very pretty, very pretty. I love the box seat. It's something else. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See ya.